Others, mute your mic.
I think it's, yep, the recording is on.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need
Next.
to.
Please share your screen and something about yourself. Tell us
One
something
second,
about yourself.
one second. Okay, shall I start?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Share screen. Uh, okay. No, shall I? No, actually, I have some issue with this sharing the screen, but oh, got it, got it. Am I visible? Is my screen sharing visible?
It's visible. It's visible.
Okay, okay, we'll continue then. Oops. Hey everyone, my name is Dheeraj Kumar, and I'm from Visual Communication Loyola. Okay, I studied in a school called Devi Academy, which is situated in Chennai, Valsaravakkam. I like to pursue my career in graphic as a graphic designer, and also as a YouTuber. I am also own a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, so you will share the link if possible. And my ambition is to become a full-time graphic designer and also a YouTuber, so that I can uh, I can be more interactive with this field and also informative. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, Dheeraj. Thank you for your your YouTube channel you're talking about. Please tell us more about your YouTube channel. We would like to know.
No,
So, what is your YouTube channel? What do you do?
my YouTube channel is based on the tech. Its main focus is on mobile phone, electronic gadgets, and so on. So I have nearly posted some 30 videos on it. That's it, Laksh. Any more questions?
That's great, Dheeraj. Apart teacher. That's nice.
Upper tech, sorry.
Tech. Oh, my bad.
Okay.
Great, Dheeraj. Okay, so who we have next? Vignesh, you're next.
Yes, okay. Myself, Vignesha Muruganandam, and I'm from Chennai. I studied at SBOI matriculation, my 12th grade, and now I'm currently doing college, and for me, and my passion is is to become is basically fitness, because just due to the fact that I'm interested in entering in teleserials. So yeah, fitness. So I'm interested in entering into teleserials. So particularly Tamil teleseries, I want to do a lead role in it, but I don't want to just keep it as my just an ambition, just because like sure whether lifelong job or lifelong so I don't want to risk it. So my profession, yes, I want to become a professor actually. So the professor means like it's PhD, and currently the UGC norm in order to become a professor those days were like completing an MSc in a particular field, and you can progress to a NET national eligibility test examination, and you can become a professor. But it's like becoming like it's mandatory to complete a PhD in order to even for apply for the post of a assistant lecturer. So I have a really long way to go through because I love teaching, and teaching is a noble thing, and I can even make a clay into a solid pot. So that's my strength. So I basically want to choose it as my main profession. And as Lux, can you just present that Chanakya slide once again? Yeah, like as Chanakya says here, education is the best friend, and an educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. He says that education will always will be with us till our lifelong. The same saying is in Tamil by Thiruvalluvar also. He says that கற்றவனுக்கு சென்றெல்லாம் சிறப்பு means that wherever an educated person goes, it doesn't matter, his beauty doesn't matter, his age doesn't matter. It's just what he studied, what the knowledge he received. Everyone, so this is what I want to say all about me, my passion and my goals. So thank you for everyone for hearing me. So thank you.
Great, Vignesh. Uh, Next, we have Ronald. Uh, Go ahead, Ronald.
Hi guys. Okay, my name is Paul. I'm from Kanyakumari. I'm studied in St. Joseph Metric Higher Secondary School in Kanyakumari, Nagarkovil. I'm now currently joined in Loyola Viscom. So my ambition is to be a VFX artist. So I will share 1 minute. I wanted to be a VFX artist. I wanted to be a VFX artist because I like to work with Hollywood industry. I actually started using VFX software from the age of 16. So I'm very much interested to work with Walt Disney, like companies like Walt Disney and Pixar, many in Bangalore, all over the world. Then my 1 minute, another one I will share it. Okay. Okay, my passion is to shine in the music industry. So basically, I know to handle the musical softwares related to electronic devices. So I'm going to achieve by my ambition doing the extra qualification, maybe like diploma courses or gaining some work experience. I like to work the assistant of music directors like Ilayaraja something. So what I'm telling that I want to get a degree qualification, so I want to be a VFX artist or a musician. So I'm going to increase the diploma or certificate related courses. So I believe that I would experience my employee to give me a first preference soon, to soon see my resume. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronald. Now we have
Okay,
Ashlyn. Ashlyn, go ahead.
Hello guys,
Ashlyn,
my name is Ashlyn.
before you start, 1 minute before you start, just let me know which picture do you want me to present first.
Yeah, you can go ahead with any order. I'll explain.
Okay,
according.
great. Okay.
So hello guys, my name is Ashlyn. I'm from St. Thomas Mount Chennai. I have finished my schooling in St. Michael's Academy, which is in India. So I have joined the Department of Viscom in Loyola. So in the first picture, as you can see, it is a modeling type of picture. So one of my passions is to become a model and is to advertise for some magazines and some fashion products. Then Lakshya can put the next one. Yeah. So as Ronald also said, I also have a passion for electronic music production. Music plays an important role in my life. Music is something which helps me feel good. It helps me improve my mood. So I hope I can become a music producer one day. One of my main electronic music producers is the late Avicii. One of my famous songs of his is The Nights. So in this song, he mentions about one line. One day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life that you will remember. So this line has encouraged me to start making my own music, and it shows me that nothing can be nothing cannot be done without hard work. Yeah, you can present the next one. Yeah, and the last, of course, is gaming. Gaming is one of the oldest methods of entertainment. Gaming helps a person to cool down, to remain stress-free. I love to play games a lot. Apart from video games, I also like to play a lot of sports games such as football, basketball, cricket, etc. I also like to play a lot of indoor games such as caroms, table tennis, and so on. Thank you for hearing me out.
Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you so much. So I'll start with my speech. So just a minute, give me a minute. So hey guys, my name's Laksh. I've completed my high school from Chettinad Vidyashram. You may know that I have been part of Youth India Foundation and have been also a part of many online companies for the past few years. Last month, I joined a new company called Viral Fusion, where I have got a lot of opportunity to get more experience and more knowledge in my future career. When I was in middle school, just a minute. Okay, so when I was in middle school, my dream was to become a NCC cadet. All I wanted to do was to contribute in the Indian Army and give my service for the nation. But due to health reason, I had to quit. As you can see in the picture, the guy in the left, the first guy in the first row, that's me, who is marching with my own parade, whole contingent. My dream plays a vital role for my future in presenting out my future. Every day I learn new things, try new things, and yes. Every day we try new thing, I learn new thing. In this picture, as you can see, I've also been part of really a lot of model UN, where first when I used to go, I was not able to show up myself or stay in the front. But as I started getting more experience and more courage, like I used to sit on the last bench every time in all the months which I've had. I used to sit on the last bench, but now I've reached it to the first row, and I've also received various achievements in my model UN career. Last but not the least, my future, my dream, which I've decided by coming to BISCOM, which is to become a digital marketer. A digital marketer has always been a biggest thing for me, as has always been a biggest thing to me. If you want to become a digital marketer, as me, I'm inclined towards marketing and technology. So digital marketing gives you an opportunity to reach both, and it has a great scope in the future. So if you take these small steps and reach for great heights, you'll always be able to achieve your dream. So that's what I had to say. So thank you for hearing me out. Thank you, guys. So to end this meet, I would like to summarize the whole meeting, how everything went on. We basically started with a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we technically made up a plan. In that plan, we mentioned the timing, the criteria for the speech, the subtopics that should be important in the speech, the link for the Instagram page, the pictures that we needed, how to explain those pictures. Then each day we just before making this real meet, we had a dummy round, like where we came together, we talked to each other, and we came to know more about ourselves. We came to know about each other. We subscribed to Dheeraj's YouTube channel just before the meet, not just now, just before the meet we did that. And all together we have come to a great experience. These four people with me has great knowledge and great experience in their own fields, and I feel that we talk to each other more, and we'll meet soon. So thank you.
Thank you.
Dheeraj,
Thank you.
Can I stop
it
the
was
recording?
great.
Dheeraj.
Yep.
Yeah, stop the recording if you want.
Yeah, Ronan.
Okay.